Let's be honest, bathroom makeovers can be crazy expensive. Between the tiles, fixtures, and decor, your budget can vanish faster than a splash of water on the floor. But what if I told you that you could give your bathroom a fresh, stylish, and durable flooring makeover, all without breaking the bank? Welcome to our video. 5 cheap bathroom flooring ideas you need to see. In 2025, homeowners are getting smarter with design. It's no longer about spending a fortune, it's about finding materials that look luxurious, feel comfortable, and still fit your budget perfectly. Whether you're planning a full remodel or just a quick update, today's flooring options are more creative and affordable than ever before. From vinyl and laminate to DIY peel and stick tiles, you'll be amazed by how much style you can get for so little money. And here's the best part. These materials are waterproof, easy to clean, and designed to last for years. So no more worrying about mold, slippery floors, or high maintenance. Stick around till the end, because idea number 5 might surprise you. It looks just like polished marble, but it costs a fraction of the price. So if you're ready to transform your bathroom from boring to beautiful, all on a budget, let's jump right in. Why flooring matters in bathrooms. Before we dive into the ideas, let's talk about why your bathroom flooring actually matters more than you think. The bathroom isn't just another room, it's the most moisture-heavy space in your home. Every shower, every splash, every bit of steam affects your floor. If the wrong material is used, it can lead to mold, cracks, and slippery surfaces. And that means expensive repairs later. Good bathroom flooring does 3 things. It resists water and humidity. It's safe and slip resistant. And it adds a touch of style and comfort to your daily routine. The good news? You don't need luxury tiles to get all that. Today, even budget-friendly materials can look premium and perform like high-end floors, if you choose wisely. So let's look at the best options that are affordable, durable, and absolutely beautiful. Idea number 1, vinyl flooring. First up, the king of affordable bathroom makeovers, vinyl flooring. Vinyl has come a long way from what it used to be. Modern vinyl flooring is waterproof, soft underfoot, and comes in endless designs, from wood textures to marble patterns. You can get it in sheets, planks, or peel and stick tiles, making it super easy for DIY installation. It's also budget-friendly and low maintenance, meaning you'll save money both now and in the long run. Plus, vinyl stays warm even in cooler months, which makes stepping out of the shower much more comfortable. If you want that high-end look without the high-end price, vinyl flooring is your best friend. Idea number 2, laminate flooring. Next up, laminate flooring. It's another great option for stylish bathrooms on a budget. Laminate floors are easy to install, thanks to their click-lock system. They come in realistic wood or stone finishes, adding warmth and personality to your bathroom. However, not all laminate is waterproof, so make sure to choose a water-resistant or bathroom-safe version. These are designed to handle splashes and humidity without swelling or damage. Laminate floors give you that elegant, natural look, perfect if you want your bathroom to feel cozy, modern, and chic without overspending. Idea number 3, ceramic tiles. Now let's talk about one of the most classic and trusted bathroom flooring materials, ceramic tiles. Ceramic is a top choice for anyone who wants beauty, durability, and affordability, all in one package. These tiles are waterproof, scratch-resistant, and can handle daily wear and tear like a pro. That's why they've been a favorite for decades. But here's the fun part. Ceramic tiles in 2025 are nothing like the plain ones you might remember. Today's designs can mimic high-end materials like marble, granite, or even luxury wood finishes. You get the elegance without the heavy price tag. They also come in endless patterns and colors, so whether you want a soft spa look with white marble tiles or a cozy rustic vibe with matte gray stone textures, ceramic can do it all. A great tip? Choose smaller tiles or textured finishes. Not only do they add visual interest, but they also help prevent slipping when the floor gets wet. And don't forget to seal your grout lines. It's a small step that makes a huge difference in keeping moisture, dirt, and mold away. Ceramic tiles give your bathroom a clean, fresh, and designer look, all while staying comfortably within budget. Idea number 4, peel and stick floor tiles. Next up, one of the easiest and most affordable options ever, peel and stick floor tiles. If you love a quick makeover or you're renting a place, this option is perfect for you. These tiles come with built-in adhesive, which means there's no need for glue, grout, or professional installation. You literally just peel the back off and stick them right onto your existing floor. The best part? They come in hundreds of trendy patterns and textures, from stylish marble prints and wood planks to geometric and Moroccan-inspired designs. You can instantly give your bathroom a new personality in just a few hours. Peel and stick tiles are budget-friendly, water-resistant, and easy to replace if you ever want a new look. And because they don't require any special tools, even beginners can achieve a professional finish. Imagine spending just a few dollars per square foot and turning your dull bathroom into a Pinterest-worthy space, all in one afternoon. So if you're looking for a fun, cheap, and fast transformation, peel and stick tiles are the ultimate DIY hero. Idea number 5, concrete flooring. Now, here's a flooring idea that's bold, unexpected, and seriously trending: concrete flooring. You might think concrete belongs in garages or basements, but designers in 2025 are proving otherwise. Polished concrete has become one of the most stylish and cost-effective flooring options for modern bathrooms. Why? Because it's super durable, completely waterproof, and has a sleek, minimalist look that fits perfectly in contemporary homes. Concrete floors can be finished in different ways: stained, matte, glossy, or tinted, depending on the look you want. A warm taupe or charcoal finish, for example, gives your bathroom that luxury spa vibe without spending big money. It's also incredibly low maintenance. You don't have to worry about mold, grout lines, or water seeping underneath. Just a quick mop, and it's spotless again. Pair concrete flooring with soft rugs, wooden accents, or gold fixtures, and suddenly your bathroom looks like something out of a design magazine. It's a perfect mix of modern elegance and raw texture, and yes, it's still one of the most affordable flooring upgrades out there. Cost versus durability comparison. Now that we've explored all 5 amazing flooring ideas, let's take a quick moment to compare them, side by side, so you can decide which one fits your bathroom best. Let's start with vinyl flooring. Vinyl is the ultimate budget champion: low cost, easy to install, and super durable. It can handle water, humidity, and daily use without losing its shine. If you want something modern, versatile, and stress-free, vinyl is a smart pick. Next, we've got laminate flooring. A little pricier than vinyl, but it offers that beautiful natural wood look many people love. Just make sure you choose water-resistant laminate made specifically for bathrooms. It's warm, stylish, and easy to maintain. Then there's the timeless ceramic tile. Ceramic gives you 5-star durability and a classy finish that never goes out of style. It's a bit more work to install and maintain, but it's absolutely worth it if you want your bathroom to feel elegant and long-lasting. Now for our DIY favorite, peel and stick tiles. These are the most affordable and easiest to install of all. Perfect for quick makeovers or rentals. The only catch? They might not last as long as other options, but for their price, they deliver a major visual upgrade in just hours. And finally, concrete flooring. This one combines modern design with ultimate durability. It's waterproof, sleek, and incredibly low maintenance. Once it's polished or sealed, it can last for decades, and it gives your bathroom that designer, minimalist vibe without breaking the bank. So, if we were to rank them, vinyl and peel and stick win for budget and ease. Ceramic and concrete take the lead for durability and luxury. And laminate sits right in the middle, warm, modern, and affordable. The best part? No matter which one you choose, all of these options are water-resistant, cost-effective, and stylish enough to completely transform your bathroom. Your dream flooring doesn't have to cost a fortune, it just needs the right idea and a little creativity. Bonus tips for budget bathroom upgrades. Alright, before we wrap things up, let's talk about a few bonus tips to help you take your bathroom makeover even further. without spending much? First, remember this: flooring alone won't create the magic, it's the little details that complete the look. Add a soft waterproof rug or mat near the sink or shower. It adds warmth, color, and comfort under your feet. Install LED strip lights under cabinets or around the mirror. They instantly give your bathroom a spa-like glow, and they're super energy efficient too. Don't forget accessories, like bamboo shelves, planters, or sleek towel racks. These tiny upgrades can make your space feel luxurious, even on a tight budget. And here's a pro tip: mix materials smartly. For example, you can use vinyl on the main floor and ceramic tiles near the shower area. It looks custom and still keeps your costs low. Design is not just about spending, it's about smart choices that make your bathroom look and feel more expensive than it actually is. With these tips, even the simplest bathroom can look like a high-end retreat. And there you have it, 5 cheap bathroom flooring ideas you need to see. From vinyl and laminate to concrete and peel and stick tiles, each of these flooring options proves one simple truth: you don't need a big budget to create a beautiful, functional, and stylish bathroom. Today's affordable materials are smarter, stronger, and way more design-friendly than ever before. So whether you're remodeling your home or just giving your bathroom a fresh update, these ideas will help you get the most value for your money. So tell me, which flooring idea was your favorite? Would you go for the classic ceramic tile look, or are you ready to try the modern concrete finish? Drop your choice in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're looking for premium quality flooring materials at affordable prices, or need expert installation services in the UAE, check out fixitdesign.ae. They offer everything from vinyl and laminate to ceramic and SPC, with expert help to make your dream bathroom a reality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement and design ideas every week. Because remember, great design isn't about spending more. It's about choosing smart, stylish solutions that make your home shine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.